Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure financial goals with PNC Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your financial goals clearly. Identify both short-term and long-term objectives. Short-term goals may include saving for a vacation or buying new furniture. Long-term goals could involve building a retirement fund or purchasing a home. Visit the PNC Bank website to explore their financial tools and resources. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account and navigate to the financial planning section. Use the goal-setting tool available on the platform. Input your specific financial goals into the tool. The tool will help you estimate the amount needed to reach each goal. Next, determine your current financial situation. Review your income, expenses, assets, and debts. This will provide you with a clear picture of where you currently stand financially. Consider meeting with a PNC Bank financial advisor for personalized advice. They can provide insights tailored to your specific goals and circumstances. Once you have a plan, set up a budget to manage your finances effectively. Allocating funds towards your goals is crucial for success. Open a dedicated savings account at PNC Bank for your goals. Choose an account with features that align with your savings plan. Regularly transfer funds to this account based on your budget. Monitor your progress routinely to stay motivated. Adjust your plan as necessary based on any changes in income or expenses. PNC Bank offers various mobile tools to help track your savings. Take advantage of these tools to stay on course. Celebrate small milestones along the way to maintain motivation. Remember, financial goals are a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed to your plan for the best chances of success. Regularly reassess your goals to ensure they remain relevant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.